I will not be sharing my fries. No matter how hungry you are, I will not be sharing my fries with you. He will not be waking up early. Even if there's an earthquake, he will not be waking up before noon. They will not be cleaning their room. No matter how many times you ask, they will not be cleaning their room. She will not be answering your calls. If you owe her money, she will not be answering your calls. We will not be exercising this weekend. Instead of hitting the gym, we will not be exercising and will be eating pizza instead. You will not be remembering where you parked. After shopping for hours, you will not be remembering where you left your car. I will not be eating vegetables. No matter how healthy they are, I will not be eating broccoli. He will not be fixing anything around the house. Even with all the tools, he will not be fixing that broken shelf. She will not be sharing her dessert. If you ask for a bite, she will not be sharing her cake with you. They will not be listening to advice. Even after messing up, they will not be listening to anyone's advice. We will not be saving money. Instead of saving, we will not be saving a single cent this month. You will not be cooking dinner. Even though you said you would, you will not be cooking anything tonight. I will not be responding to emails. No matter how many emails I get, I will not be responding to any of them. He will not be watching the game. Even though he loves soccer, he will not be watching because he forgot the time. She will not be paying attention. Even in an important meeting, she will not be paying attention at all. They will not be turning down free food. No matter what diet they're on, they will not be turning down free pizza. We will not be arguing over the remote. Just kidding. We will not be arguing because I already have it. You will not be staying awake during the movie. Even if it's exciting, you will not be staying awake till the end. I will not be cleaning the dishes. After dinner, I will not be cleaning anything and pretending not to see the mess. He will not be drinking just one cup of coffee. No matter what he says, he will not be drinking just one coffee today. She will not be finishing her food. Even though she said she was starving, she will not be finishing her plate. They will not be going to the gym. Despite all the motivation today, they will not be going to the gym tomorrow. We will not be leaving on time. No matter what we plan, we will not be leaving on time. You will not be remembering birthdays. Even with reminders, you will not be remembering anyone's birthday. I will not be turning down dessert. No matter how full I am, I will not be turning down cake. He will not be wearing matching socks. Even on special occasions, he will not be wearing matching socks. She will not be finishing that book. Even if she says she will not be finishing it this year. They will not be answering text messages on time. Even if it's urgent, they will not be answering texts immediately. We will not be taking just one photo. Instead of one, we will not be taking fewer than 50 selfies. You will not be ignoring the group chat. Even though you say you're busy, you will not be ignoring all those messages. I will not be saying no to snacks. If someone offers chocolate, I will not be saying no. He will not be finding his keys. Even though they were in his pocket, he will not be finding them easily. She will not be leaving the house without coffee. No matter how late she is, she will not be leaving without caffeine. They will not be giving up their Wi-Fi. Even if the world ends, they will not be giving up their internet. We will not be forgetting this embarrassing moment. No matter how much you try, we will not be forgetting this for years. You will not be choosing a movie quickly. Even after an hour, you will not be choosing a movie to watch. I will not be checking my bank balance. To avoid stress, I will not be checking my bank account today. He will not be offering to pay. Even if he has money, he will not be offering to cover the bill. She will not be finishing her workout. After 5 minutes, she will not be finishing the rest of her routine. They will not be hearing their alarm. No matter how loud it is, they will not be hearing their alarm. We will not be taking life too seriously. No matter what happens, we will not be taking things too seriously. You will not be finding a clean spoon. In this kitchen, you will not be finding a single clean spoon. I will not be refusing free food. No matter how full I am, I will not be refusing free pizza. He will not be saying no to a nap. If given the chance, he will not be saying no to an afternoon nap. She will not be leaving a party early. Even if she says she's tired, she will not be leaving before midnight. They will not be staying quiet during the movie. Even in a thriller, they will not be staying quiet and will spoil everything. We will not be drinking just one coffee. No matter how much sleep we get, we will not be drinking only one coffee. You will not be skipping dessert. Even if you're full, you will not be skipping that chocolate cake. I will not be answering work emails on the weekend. No matter what, I will not be answering any work emails on Saturday. He will not be eating his vegetables. Even if you hide them in his food, he will not be eating any greens. She will not be winning an argument. No matter what, she will not be winning against her mom. They will not be picking a restaurant quickly. Even after an hour, they will not be picking a place to eat. We will not be doing anything productive. Even with a to-do list, we will not be doing anything useful today. You will not be walking past a dog without petting it. If you see a dog, you will not be walking away without saying hi. I will not be folding my laundry today. Even if it's piling up, I will not be folding clothes anytime soon. He will not be remembering anyone's name. Even if they just introduced themselves, he will not be remembering their name. She will not be closing her laptop on time. Even if she finishes work, she will not be closing her laptop before midnight. They will not be letting you win the game. No matter how bad you are, they will not be letting you in. We will not be staying on our diet. Even if we promise, we will not be staying away from junk food. You will not be ignoring your cravings. Even if you try, you will not be ignoring that donut craving. I will not be fixing my sleep schedule. Even if I promise, I will not be fixing my bedtime this week. He will not be checking the weather before leaving. No matter what, he will not be checking if it's raining outside. She will not be walking in heels comfortably. No matter how fancy the event, she will not be walking properly in heels. They will not be skipping their morning coffee. Even if they are late, they will not be skipping their caffeine. We will not be acting our age. No matter how old we get, we will not be acting mature. You will not be leaving the house without checking yourself in the mirror. Even in a rush, you will not be leaving without a quick check. I will not be cooking anything fancy. Even if I try, I will not be cooking a 5-star meal tonight. He will not be letting go of the TV remote. Once he gets it, he will not be letting go of the remote. She will not be running for fun. Even if zombies are chasing her, she will not be running just for fun. They will not be reaching anywhere on time. Even with an early start, they will not be reaching their destination on time. We will not be refusing a second serving. If it's delicious, we will not be refusing another plate.